Hey you guys, good morning. The lighting is terrible, but I am currently at Summer Moon, which is a coffee shop here in San Antonio. There's one like in Austin also, but I'm at the one in San Antonio. I'm gonna meet up a friend to have some coffee. At least like I think we're still meeting up. Like I'm here, so I hope we're still meeting up because she had reached out to me like a couple days ago. So this is so far the plan. I'm excited to see her and hang out. I brought some planner stuff so we can like talk about planner stuff. She's a planner friend. Her name is Maya, Science of Planning on YouTube and Instagram, and I'm so excited. Yay, coffee and planning with Maya. And then how pretty your planners are, because mine are all like basic. Just got home from coffee. It was fun. I love hanging out with like planner friends. Okay, let me put up this tripod to make sure I'm not like holding onto it and shaking the camera. But I love hanging out with planner friends because it's like like-minded people. It's like people that like get it, you know, people that like understand like planners and planner like stickers and stuff like that. So it's always so much fun, and I enjoyed it, and it was a great time hanging out with her. She lives in San Antonio. Again, her Instagram handle, and she's also on YouTube at Science of Planning. I'll tag her in case I got that wrong, but it was tons of fun. But I'm home now. It is 12:55 and we're gonna go to church bingo. We never go to like mass or anything. I'm not Catholic, I'm Christian, but we never go to mass, but we always go to like any events that they have, just to like support the church and support them. It's just always fun to go. We go to the church that his family goes to. But I just let out Caesar. I'm thinking about removing some of this crazy makeup. I feel like I didn't do it well. I was kind of like rushing. I was debating about doing it or not doing it, and the last minute I was like, yeah, just go ahead and do it, and I feel like it doesn't look the greatest. So I think I'm going to take it off. I don't know. Maybe I'll just leave it on. I don't know, but we'll see what happens. I'll decide that in a little bit. I'm waiting for Caesar to come in. He's outside, and once he comes in, I'm gonna go upstairs, check out my makeup in the mirror, and then decide from there. But anyways, I just wanted to update you all that I'm home. Christmas tree is on. We're looking a little festive with our turtleneck sweater because I'm like but anyways, yeah, that's how today's going. It's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good day. Tomorrow is gonna be interesting. I start my like new position tomorrow, so it should be good, I would hope, but at the same time I'm a little nervous about it, but we'll see how it goes. Anyways, I'll talk to y'all later. I remember locking it. Did you lock it? Church. Pretty. That looks so cute. Hey you guys, and what is up? So I just got home from church bingo, and it was so much fun. I'm gonna open up the window a little bit, but it was so much fun. I always enjoy going to church bingo. It's always like just tons of fun, knowing that you're like supporting the community. It's just like, I don't know, it's just really fun to go. So we always go whenever they have a church event going on, and it's truly enjoyable. So right now, what I'm gonna do is my nails, because they look like this and I need to record content. So, and by that I mean I need to record my planner lineup, which should have been up a while ago probably, but I really haven't had a chance to. So, now's the time. It's like, ow, I need to record it now so I can post it like either tomorrow or like sometime this week. So if you're interested in watching that, definitely be on the lookout for that. I'm thinking that if I post that this week, like whatever day I do post it on, maybe there won't be like a vlog video that day, but we'll definitely see what it ends up happening. I'll try to like do both if I can. Okay, there. I was trying to plug in my little UV lamp. It's a little cold in here, but okay, there, it does turn on. Perfect. So my little UV lamp. Let me grab my blanket because I'm cold. Okay, so I grabbed my little blanket. You can see my sweater in the background. I took off my sweater to do my nails just because I don't want any dust getting on the sweater, because I may end up wearing that sweater for the video that I'm going to record. But I'm going to put up my hair in a little clip. Okay, there. Oh, perfect. It doesn't look pretty, but it's functional. So I do use gel nails, and I have to like buff them out first to be able to remove the gel. It's a whole process, but it lasts longer than regular polish. And with like showing my nails as often as I do, and like my hands on social media and like YouTube and stuff, I'd rather have like my nails last a little longer. I do get them done every now and then, but it just gets expensive, y'all. So I just end up doing it myself at home. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and continue doing this, and then I will show you all the color options. Let me do that now, actually. So I have a pure red, like this red. So I'm thinking like something like this would be fun for because of Christmas. I was wearing like a lighter red, so I'm thinking I should change that up a little bit. I was wearing like more like a burgundy color. So maybe I feel like the red would just be my best option. Or I can even do like red and white. Have this a white color. It's like it looks like a grayish tone, kinda. You can see that. So I don't know, maybe something like that. Yeah, because this is like a purplish color. Because the only green that I have, if I had like a regular green, like a regular like kind of like forest green, I would use that. But this is the only green I have, and this is like highlighter green, so can't do that. So maybe, I don't know, let's see about those colors. I'm gonna remove the polish from my nails, and then I will chat with you all in a bit. All right, you guys, so I finished the nails. This is what they look like. I think they look really cute. Like, they're not, you know, the greatest. They're not like salon quality or anything like that. Ugh, it's a mess back there. But it's not salon quality or anything like that. But they look good enough for me, and I like them. So anyways, I am gonna go ahead and probably record some content. I'm not sure, honestly. Like, I really want to record the video for my lineup, but at the same time, so you're gonna think I'm so lazy, but the reason I want to do it right now is because my makeup is done. My hair is not done, but I don't really care about my hair. My hair is naturally straight, so it's like, what does it matter? But then at the same time, like, should I maybe do it sometime this week? But then before you know it, the new year is gonna come. So I'm like, just do it now, Anabel. Stop being lazy, and like, post it, you know, like, just put on, I can put on the sweater I was wearing, literally, and I can just go ahead and record it and call it a day, because I want it to be like a video where I'm actually showing my face. So I feel like it may be probably like the best option to like just do it now. So I don't want to, but I am gonna go ahead and record it. So that means I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog here, because there's not much else that I'm gonna do other than recording, which I wish I could do. I only have this camera, and I wish I had like a way to record like behind the scenes. But I'm just gonna have my camera up the way I do here and just like show the planners. So it's gonna be me like actually facing the camera, and I'm probably gonna grab my ring light, because I feel like this light is just not really like good enough. It doesn't really like reach this side of the face, so it makes me look bright over here but not over here, and that's like a little thing that like does matter. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and end today's vlog here. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to watch more of my videos, please subscribe, and I will be posting that planner stack pretty soon, so stay on the lookout for that. Bye. Love y'all.